Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 6 latest defense updates. Number 1, Naval Aerial Robotic Systems, that is NARS, for aircraft carriers. The Indian Navy is looking to bolster its surveillance and reconnaissance capabilities with the development of an indigenous naval aerial robotic systems. This ambitious project aims to create a modular unmanned aerial vehicle capable of operating from aircraft carriers. The NARS is envisioned as a versatile platform with a modular design allowing for customization based on mission requirements. Key components include the airframe, engine, flight control unit, navigation system incorporating the Indian navigation satellite system, artificial intelligence for target acquisition and decision making, and the ability to swarm for enhanced reconnaissance. Next, Russia unveiling Amur 950 submarine with BrahMos punch. Russia is set to showcase its latest submarine, the Amur 950, at the Army 2024 Military Technical Forum, dubbed a floating battery. This non-nuclear submarine is equipped with vertical missile launchers capable of firing a range of weapons, including the formidable BrahMos cruise missile. Developed jointly by India and Russia, the BrahMos has already made waves in the global defense market. Its submarine launch variant, integrated into the Amur 950, significantly enhances the submarine's offensive capabilities. Next, Brazilian proposal for Akash NG integration is rejected by India. New Delhi has reportedly turned down a Brazilian request to incorporate domestically produced sensors into the final configuration of the Akash NG surface-to-air missile system. Brazil had proposed replacing the Indian radar with its M200 multi-missile radar, a product developed from the M60 radar. The South American nation argued that the M200 would be better suited for low-altitude coverage and would offer enhanced multi-target capabilities. However, India has insisted on maintaining the Akash NG's original configuration. Next, LCA Mk2 development gains momentum. In a promising development for India's indigenous fighter jet program, a high-level review meeting of the LCA Mk2 project was held at DRDO and Department of Research and Development, and Chairman of DRDO along with the Deputy Chief of Air Staff led to discussions. The meeting involved key stakeholders including DRDO laboratory and defense PSUs, contributing to the development of various systems and subsystems for the LCA Mk2. Next, T-20 tanks with active protection system. The DRDO has confirmed the initiation of development for an active protection system tailored for India's T-90 main battle tanks. Having received clearance last year, the fabrication phase is now underway, with system testing slated to commence either later this year or early next year. An APS is a crucial defensive suit designed to detect, track, and intercept incoming threats such as anti-tank guided missiles and tank rounds before they can inflict damage. This system significantly enhances a tank's survivability on the modern battlefield. Next, Zorawar light tank to take on even heavy tanks. The Indian Army's upcoming Zorawar light tank is set to be a formidable force on the battlefield, thanks in part to its integration of the advanced John Cockerill 3150 turret. This cutting-edge weapon system is equipped with the M1060CV round, a NATO standard ammunition capable of penetrating an astonishing 560 mm of armor at a range of 2000 meters. Thank you.